These are the DecoColor primary color paint markers. I can't speak for every type of surface that you can use them on, but I know in the autograph world, they work great on paper and plastic. Like right here would be a great place to use a paint marker on this plastic right here, as it really shows up good and it pops. Now, these come in 6 different regular colors. You got white, black, red, blue, green, and yellow. And you can see when you first get them, they're still sealed in plastic. You're gonna have to take the plastic off of there. And like typical paint markers, you have to shake them up. And you're gonna have to push the tip in a little bit to get them started. Once you get the paint soaked into the tip there, they are ready to go. And the paint looks fantastic. It dries relatively quickly. Obviously, when you first put this on, you wanna make sure you give it a chance to dry out before you handle it. This stuff just looks fantastic though. Let me try it on this piece of plastic right here. This is the plastic for some pruning shears I bought. The colors just pop on there. It looks fantastic, I think. It holds up well, and once it dries, you're in good shape. It stays on for a long time. It's supposed to be weather resistant. They have a nice slotted case in here where you can just set them back in here, close the tabs back up, and store them away. If you're looking for something for autographs, maybe to color in some stuff, for some arts and crafts type work, DecoColor paint markers. They work great.